Albert and Cleo both help you manage your money, but they take completely different approaches. Albert focuses on traditional budgeting and financial planning, while Cleo delivers budgeting advice through a conversational chat interface. By the end, you'll know which app has better budgeting tools for your spending style, and which one is likely to be easier to stick with over time. Start with how each app handles your finances. Albert automatically connects to your bank account so you can view your balances, income, recurring bills, and spending activity in one place. The app organizes transactions into categories, making it easier to understand where your money is going without manually tracking every purchase. Cleo also connects to your financial accounts, but instead of showing everything in a traditional dashboard, it interacts with you through chat. You can ask about your spending, check recent transactions, and receive personalized insights in a more conversational format. If you prefer messaging over navigating menus, that approach can feel more natural. The next difference is budgeting. Albert is designed for users who want a structured overview of their finances. It helps you monitor spending habits, keep an eye on recurring expenses, and understand your overall financial picture. If your goal is to build a long-term budgeting routine, Albert provides a straightforward experience. Cleo makes budgeting feel more interactive. The app sends reminders, spending updates, and financial insights through conversations instead of static reports. That style can make it easier for some people to stay engaged, especially if they usually ignore traditional budgeting apps. Another thing to compare is the extra financial tools. Albert combines budgeting with features related to saving and financial guidance, giving users multiple money management tools inside one app. Cleo also includes additional financial features, but its biggest strength remains making everyday budgeting feel less intimidating through its conversational design. Think about how you like to manage money. If you enjoy reviewing charts, account summaries, and organized spending categories, Albert will probably feel more familiar. If you prefer quick conversations, reminders, and a less formal experience, Cleo may keep you more engaged with your budget. To sum it up, Albert is the stronger choice for users who want a traditional budgeting dashboard and a broader financial management experience. Cleo stands out if you want budgeting to feel simple, interactive, and easier to check throughout the week. Pick the app that matches the way you naturally manage your finances, because the best budgeting tool is the one you'll actually use consistently. If this comparison helped you choose between Albert and Cleo, like the video and subscribe for more financial app comparisons and practical budgeting guides.